We are creating this app to display the number of medals won by each house using a chart. When we select a house from the drop-down on the first screen and click on the Sport or Arts button, another medal will be added to the house we have chosen for sports or for arts. Again, when we click on Sports, Arts or Total and then click on the next button, the number of medals each house has obtained in relation to the section we have selected should also be displayed in the chart. For this, it is necessary to create a table by entering the data about the medals obtained by the houses. Let's see how to create this table. Here, I will click on Data. I click the Data Browser section. For table name, we give the name of the table to be created. Let's type houses. Now, I click the Add button here. Good. Now we can create the table. As house name, sports, arts and total, I need 4 columns. Currently, there is only one column called column 1. I will change this column to display house names. By clicking on this plus sign in the next column, I add another column. The name of this column, column 2, is removed and given as sports. Again, as before, click on this plus sign and another column will be added. The name of the column is given as arts. Because one more column is needed, I click again on the plus sign. This column is given the name total. Good. Now you can enter the data to this table. For house name, I give red. Red is a word. If it is a word, we need to give it as a string variable. So here in inverted commas, I will give as red. In the sports column, type 3 and in the arts column, type 2. For total, type 5. In this row, data entry is complete. Now let's click the Add Row button. You can see the row in which I have entered the data has been added to the table, and to enter new data, another row has been added. Here, the house name green is given in inverted commas. As before, let's give 2, 2 and 4 for sports, arts and total. Now again, click the Add Row button and enter the data in the next row. Assign the house name as blue, sports and arts with corresponding values as 2, 4 and 6 and then click the Add Row button. Okay, now the table is created. I click on Back to Data here again. Now we can see that the table we have added is displayed in the Data Table section. Now we have finished importing the data. I click on Code again.